Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Face It Megan if you've never been here before, and if you have, welcome back. I'm so excited you guys are back, if you're new, I'm so excited you guys are here. This is the look I'm doing today. It is a winter wonderland / Christmas inspired look. It turned out way better than I expected, which is awesome. It just means that I'm having fun and it turned out really nice. I am going to be using the mini controversy to do this eyeshadow look today, and I guess just stay and watch the video to see how I create this look. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to prep my eyes with ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I feel like I tell you guys this every single time, but it is my go-to eyelid primer. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to go in, I'm going to start blending in Flat Earth and Cancelled. I kind of want it to be like a really light, beautiful, like snowflakey blue shade, if you can imagine like what a snowflake would look like in like a movie or something. And I'm just going to start going in and blending it into like my crease area and down into the side of my eyelid. If you can kind of see like what that blue looks like, that's the kind of blue I'm going for. Just a tiny bit of that Cancelled color. So while I'm doing this, I wanted to ask you guys what you think about Jeffree and Shane adding that green shade back into the palette. I am happy about it. I really wanted that green shade. I was really shocked that they didn't add it to the palette in the first place because I felt like it was so different and beautiful, and it really went with the whole like alien controversy conspiracy thing to me, especially with that really beautiful holographic sheen to it. But I'm really bummed because I feel like I already bought the palette and now I have to like buy another palette. But my niece told me that they're actually going to release it individually as well, which makes me happy, so I can actually buy that green shade. Even though I already have the palette, I don't have to rebuy the palette. I was like, I don't really want to buy the palette again, but I will if I have to get that green shade, I guess. But I was just curious like what you thought about that. I think it's funny that they're gonna call it Put It Back. Well, they all listen to their fans. I mean like they listen to all of us, so it's kind of nice too. They care about their customers. I'm just layering and buffing it out. I really want it to look really pretty and almost like a winter wonderland on my eyelid. We are in December after all. I was really thinking it'd be fun to like do just some winter inspired eyeshadow tutorials this month. I didn't really know what I was going to be doing this month, and I thought it'd be really fun to just have fun with it. Alright, so that eye looks pretty good. I'm going to go in to do the exact same thing with the other eye really quick. It's really pretty. It actually is turning out to be a really pretty shade put together. I'm just really trying to lighten it up as best as I can to make like a really light, pretty blue. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to dip into my boyfriend's purse. It's such a hard shade to explain. It kind of makes me think of like a taupe color, but it has shimmer in it. I don't know, it kind of is taupey, maybe like not mauve-y. I feel like mauve is more purple. Maybe more like taupe. Is taupe purple? I think it's like a brownish. You know what? we're gonna go in and we're gonna dip into that and we're just gonna put on our eyelid. I'm actually gonna put it where that little space is that I left open over on the edge. I was gonna cut crease it, but I decided not to. Wow, it's so buttery. Look, I just put my finger into it and the little SD for Shane Dawson is already like smeared and gone, just with one swipe of my finger. So I'm just gonna dip in and start buffing that out. I'm just blending it into the rest of the purple shade. The blue shade. It is Monday, okay guys? It's Monday. Can't speak. Can't find the words I'm looking for. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye, dipping right into my boyfriend's purse. It's coming off a little bit silver though, but it has like a little bit of a holographic silvery white in it. It's hard to explain. It doesn't look exactly like it does in the pan. I'm gonna get a little brush. I'm just gonna just buff it out a little bit because my finger with my nail on it couldn't reach into the crack of my eye in like the little corner area. I don't have one, but it would be really pretty if I did like a line of like a glitter silver right here, or just like a glitter pen. I just kind of wish I did, but I think that'd be really pretty. I'm kind of seeing that right now, but I think that'd be really pretty to add to it. I don't have one. I don't have anything like that. I only have like black pen. I'm gonna go in and start buffing in some of that, the blue underneath my eye, the same exact thing. It's so pretty. That's exactly what I wanted. I really wanted to look just like this, like wintry and wonderlandy. Alright, so I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna line the bottom of my eye. I'm gonna put some eyeliner on really quick, bringing my mirror really close to me. Actually, I'm gonna turn it around so I'm all close up and personal with my little... What would be really cool and kind of artsy fartsy if I had some white mascara. That would make it like super artsy, but I don't, so I'm just gonna have to go in with regular eyelashes. I'm gonna go in with some black eyeliner and put it on the top lid now. I'm opening a new case of lashes, so I'm actually gonna go off camera and cut them and get them all ready and put them on my eyes, and I will be right back. I swear, there is nothing on earth in the makeup industry like putting on a fresh pair of lashes. Like, they went on like butter. Usually I have like those, like the thick band, you gotta peel it off and like all the old glue and everything, and like these ones are just stuck on and they look so natural and real. Like, they're really beautiful and big and fluffy. They're the Miami lashes from Lily Lashes. They're my go-to. I love them so much and I get so many compliments on them. The other day I was getting a pedicure and the woman that was doing my pedicure was like, "Are your lashes real?" And I was like, "No." But thank you for thinking they were. I mean, like, wow, they're so beautiful. So anyway, now they're on, and I did do my mascara, and you can see now that this eyeshadow look is just absolutely stunning. In the little mini controversy palette, there is not a like highlighting shade for me to put in my inner corner. I already used like the good shimmer that was up over here. I guess I could use like this blue, but it doesn't really go with my theme. So I am going to go back to the conspiracy palette, and I'm going to dip into Ranch. I thought I just like nailed one of the shades because my nail like booped it, but it did not. I am going to go into Ranch, which is right here, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner and on my brow bone really quick. It is a really pretty bright white shade for highlighting if you want to use a really nice white. I'm really, really loving this eyeshadow, the eyeshadow that I have on right now. I'm really proud of myself that I decided to put all this together the way I did. I just was thinking about doing something Christmassy, and this is what I came up with, and it's really turning out to be a good idea. Alright, so I have not done my contour yet, and I have the Kylie Tequila Tan on my desk right now, so I'm just going to go in with that. I use this all the time, and I was going to use the Marc Jacobs one, but I feel like it's too light right now for me since it's winter. I kind of wanted to go in with something a little bit more like a bang, like cut those cheekbones. And I'm gonna go in with this brush, which I got in my BoxyCharm box. It actually is a BoxyCharm brush. You can see it, it says BoxyCharm right there. But I'm a little worried because the bristles keep coming out, sadly. Like, I don't know why. But at least the foundation brush, the bristles were coming out a lot when I was doing my foundation. So let's just see how this one goes. I'm just gonna cut my bones in my cheeks. That was a weird way to say that. I'm gonna cut my cheekbones now. Alright, so recently I have not been using blush. It's mostly just because it's winter right now and I'm always flushed during winter. I am a very dry person and my skin gets really flushed and irritated when I am dry. So it's already red. So I'm actually just gonna go in, I'm going to just use it like a highlighter. Which one am I gonna use? Should I use the Bretman Rock one? Yeah, I'm actually gonna go with Baby Girl, which is this shade right here. It's like a nice whitey pinkish. It has like a pinky holographic kind of thing going. Let's see how it looks. It kind of looks like it would be pretty with this. Yeah, it looks pretty. Just a little light holographic thing going. It adds a nice flare to the face, a little bit of pink. Why not? I'm all about trying out new things. Alright, so I'm gonna go with my beauty blender really quick. I'm just gonna stamp in that highlight. It really makes it just stick to the face better and it kind of just brings it out a little bit more because I'm so dry right now. You guys, I went in with like 3 different moisturizers because that's how dry my face is, and I had to use a different foundation. I've been using the Tarte Found Sealer, and but today I'm using the Clinique because I feel like it hydrates me a little better, and it actually is sitting on my skin quite nicely. It is a little bit dry around my nose, you know, on my T-zone where it's really super dry right now, and a little bit underneath my eyes, but it's hydrating. I'm gonna go in and do Are You Filming? It's a nice, beautiful red shade. I really wanted to use red, but I wanted to stick with the Shane collection, so I'm gonna go in with that. Let me find a lip liner. This is NYX, and it's just hot red. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna line my lips. Alright, so now that my lip liner's in, I'm going to go in with Are You Filming? Last time I used Ryland and that was so beautiful, but I wanted to go in with a really beautiful poppy red today, and I wanted to try a different lipstick anyway, so... Woo! Anybody else, when you put on like a really vibrant lipstick, you're like doing it really, really carefully? Or just me? Probably just me. I mean, like I have these little tiny lips, so if my lips were like bigger and more luscious, it might be easier to apply. I don't know, but dang, came in here to film and I succeeded. I'm just saying. Alright, so I'm gonna spray my face really quick. Let's do it. That's the whole tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am planning on doing some more like winter Christmas inspired makeup looks over the next month or so. Maybe in January I'll do some winter inspired looks, but that's my whole video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring that bell for notifications. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video.